Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jaital and today we are here at Imperia Grand, a project developed by Brain Corporation. And this project is located in Harluru, Bangalore. And today we'll be doing the project overview in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So we are on the actual land parcel of the project. So basically, this is the marketing office where we'll be getting all the details. And now about the land parcel. So one more thing I would like to show you over here. This is the part of the phase 1. And now about the phase 2 is over this side where the construction work is going on. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So basically this project is being constructed on total 16.2 acres of land parcel and which is divided into 2 phases. So let me show you the phase 1 just behind me. So this is the phase 1 which has been delivered 5 years ago and now launched with phase 2. So basically this is the part of phase 2 which has been constructed on 5.4 acre of land parcel, and here they are coming up with 3 iconic tower of 2 basement ground plus 21 floors with 4 BHK plus staff room and 5 BHK plus staff room premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, and this project is located in Harluru, Bangalore, and let me show you that this is the internal road of the project and your main entrance of the project will be just 200 meters away from where I am standing. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So Kudlu Gate metro station is just 10 minutes away. Outer Ring Road is 10 minutes away. RMZ Eco World Bilandur is 15 minutes away. You can connect to HSR layout in just 20 minutes. And even Manipal Hospital, which is very near, that is within 5 minutes of the project. Now coming to the amenities part. And this project provides you world-class amenities like you can check out the garden area, jogging track and cricket pitch just behind me, and here comes the football court, clubhouse and even the kids play area. Now coming to the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project provides you 4 BHK plus staff room and 5 BHK plus staff room premium residencies. But 4 BHK plus staff room is starting from 2273 to 2316 square feet super built up area. And 5 BHK plus staff room is starting from 2719 to 2771 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process. So our project booking window is open now. Interested clients can visit our site where our sales team will explain with complete project details. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model flat as well and the actual land parcel. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project that is Imperia Grand, located in Harluru, Bangalore, a project developed by Brain Corporation.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.